In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity Scheduling for your social media marketing agency, or SMMA. This tool is incredibly effective for streamlining appointment bookings and managing your client interactions seamlessly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, functional scheduling system that can significantly enhance your agency's professionalism and efficiency. First off, head over to acuityscheduling.com to begin the process of creating your account. If you're new to this service, you'll want to start by signing up for a free trial. If you already have an existing account, simply log in. After accessing your account, you'll need to enter your business name and choose a unique URL for your scheduling page. This is the link your clients will use to book appointments with you, so make sure it's something simple and indicative of your brand. Next, let's move on to defining your services and availability. This step is crucial because it sets the expectations for your clients and ensures you have structured, manageable appointments. In Acuity, you'll begin by creating appointment types. Think about the different services your agency offers, such as a discovery call or a strategy session. For each service, you'll define the duration, pricing, and whether it caters to a single client or is intended for a group. This way, your clients will know exactly what they're signing up for and how long they can expect their appointments to last. Once your services are defined, it's time to set your availability. Acuity allows you to block out non-working hours easily, so make sure to adjust your calendar to reflect the days and times you're open for business. You can set recurring availability to simplify things further, ensuring your schedule remains consistent week to week. This detail helps you manage your workload effectively and avoid overlapping appointments. Now, let's not forget the financial aspect of your bookings. Acuity integrates smoothly with payment processors like Stripe, Square, or PayPal, allowing you to collect payments effortlessly. Once you choose your preferred payment processor, connect it to your Acuity scheduling account so clients can pay directly when they book an appointment. This functionality not only streamlines the payment process, but also adds an extra layer of professionalism and convenience for both you and your clients. Finally, you'll want to customize the appearance of your scheduling page. A well-designed page can reflect your agency's branding and make a great first impression. Acuity provides options for adjusting colors and fonts to match your brand aesthetic. Once everything looks great and matches your brand's identity, it's time to embed this scheduling page onto your website. Alternatively, you can simply share the provided link with clients, giving them direct access to your schedule. And there you have it. A fully set up and professional looking scheduling system that integrates perfectly into your SMMA operations. Implementing Acuity scheduling not only enhances your agency's professionalism, but also provides your clients with a seamless booking experience. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your new streamlined scheduling system.